San Jacinto Association. Ang mga olds kampon, and we're so very thankful na kahit na nagdugma-dugma na gaya ni Chester, andito pa rin, nag-attend sa ating association. And we're so proud. We are so proud of them. Si Jacqueline. Yeah, of course, hindi ka makalimutan. Lula ko yun. Manay ni May.
Lula ko na pero manay ni May.
So, si Cholili, anytime na may padara kami sa iyo ng invitation, hindi nyo kami binibigo. We have sent 51 invitation to 51 families. At nagpapasalamat ako na Adi na nag-respond sa invitation. I am asking an apology. Sa hindi ko kilala ang pangaran, hindi ko alam ang address, pero nakaabot siya dito. Gaya ni Marjo, through Tialong. Kaya, sabi ko sa kanya, I have the copies. Marjo, kindly write your name, your address, your cell phone number, parang every time na mayroon kita sin socialization na gaya nito, we can invite you. And also, our very beautiful and best dancer of the year, Yumi. Okay. So, salamat sa suporta na inatag ninyo. And this will go on as long as we live, as long as we have life and effort to make this association more progressive. We will do it for the sake of all San Jacintos. Maayo nagkabisay matara.
Amen. Amen.